reason that they're telling us about the palm trees is because maybe someone's really into, oh, we're about to run over a snail. Like, botanists would probably be really intrigued by the palm trees.
Now I'm going to introduce my friends pineapples. Pineapple has a little purple colored flowers that blooms around the fruit. There are some different kinds of pineapples, like ornamental and edible ones. The ornamental types are called hime, which means cream pineapples, and hana, which means flower pineapples.
The pink ones are henna.
Called cream and snap pineapples. You can easily tear a piece by hand and enjoy its sweet taste and good flavor. Do you know what the name pineapple stands for?
Yes.
It stands for pines.
Oh, he just hit his head on this bar.
Pineapples look like pine cones.
Pines and apples.
Like apples. Pineapples grow well in red acidity soil.
What kind of bee is that? Right there.
Oh, that's that hummingbird moth.
Hummingbird moth.
Yeah, I think it's hummingbird moth or hummingbird fly, something like that.
A hummingbird.
You can see these colorful plants on both sides.
I see that it has a really long thing and it's drinking from the pineapple.
Same kind of
It's so
pineapple.
neat. They're
The
cute.
name has same meaning of pineapple in Spanish.
Can we have one as
They
a
are from Latin America and
Yeah,
popular
I'll catch it.
as ornamental
catch
plants.
it for me?
Their flowers last longer than other plants of the pineapple.
Do you think we stop because Kainoa pressed this button?
Some flowers on their stem coming out. Some flowers bloom within the stalk.
I think it stopped because Kainoa pressed the button.
Pineapples have about
He wasn't supposed to press this button, and I think we stopped because he pressed the button.
about